Stretching for just 10 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels, especially if you spend long hours sitting or engaging in repetitive movements. By improving blood circulation, stretching helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, reducing stiffness and soreness. Flexibility is another key benefit, as it allows your joints to move through their full range of motion, preventing strain during everyday activities. Dynamic stretches, such as leg swings or arm circles, are ideal for warming up because they gently prepare your muscles for movement. These active stretches increase blood flow and body temperature, making them perfect before exercise or physical activity. On the other hand, static stretches, like holding a hamstring stretch for 20-30 seconds, are best done after activity to cool down and lengthen the muscles. Experts emphasize the importance of targeting major muscle groups, including the back, shoulders, legs, and hips, to maintain overall mobility and prevent injuries. Regular stretching can also correct muscle imbalances caused by poor posture or sedentary habits. By incorporating these simple techniques into your daily routine, you can enhance your physical well-being and move with greater ease. To make stretching a seamless part of your daily routine, focus on key exercises that address common areas of stiffness. Start with the hamstring stretch, which can be done seated or standing. Gently reach for your toes while keeping your back straight to avoid strain. This stretch helps relieve tension in the back of the legs, a frequent trouble spot for many. Next, incorporate shoulder rolls to loosen tightness in the upper back and shoulders. Simply rotate your shoulders forward and backward in slow, controlled motions. Finally, calf stretches are essential for those who stand or walk frequently. Place one foot behind you, press the heel into the ground, and lean slightly forward to feel the stretch in the lower leg. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of stretching. Aim to perform these exercises daily, even if only for a few minutes. Proper form is critical. Never force a stretch to the point of pain, as this can lead to injury. Instead, ease into each movement and hold for 15-30 seconds. Listening to your body is crucial. If a stretch feels uncomfortable, adjust your position or reduce the intensity. Overstretching can cause more harm than good, so prioritize gentle, controlled movements. By integrating these stretches into your routine, you'll notice improved flexibility and reduced stiffness over time. Committing to a daily stretching routine offers profound long-term benefits beyond temporary relief from stiffness. Over time, consistent stretching strengthens connective tissues, reduces joint stress, and improves flexibility, all of which contribute to better mobility as you age. Proper stretching helps align the spine and correct muscle imbalances, leading to improved posture, especially important for those who sit for long hours. Studies show that maintaining flexibility through stretching can also lower the risk of injuries during physical activity by ensuring muscles and joints move efficiently. To make stretching a sustainable habit, integrate it seamlessly into your daily life. Set phone reminders or pair stretches with routine activities, like doing calf raises while brushing your teeth or shoulder rolls during work breaks. Even short, focused sessions of 5-10 minutes can make a difference if done consistently. Opt for stretches that target tight areas, such as hip flexors for desk workers or hamstrings for runners. Listen to your body. Avoid pushing into pain and modify stretches as needed. Over time, these small efforts compound into lasting improvements in comfort, movement, and overall well-being.